Welcome back to Rashad's Garage, and today I am going to be working on my trailer. It's over there. Let me show y'all what I'm doing. So I got the cars pulled out. I'm about to back my trailer in the garage. Altima did sell from the last video. It sold quick. I picked up that Corolla for cheap, so that's why that's there. That's also for sale. Cadillac, I'm having some hard time selling this car. No one wants a front wheel drive V8, but I know it'll sell eventually. But for what I'm doing today, so my trailer has been helping me out for years. I bought this trailer 5 years ago. I'll show y'all right here. I bought it with my my second truck, and it's been through 4 other trucks. But this trailer has been stout, but I haven't taken care of it. As you can see, the wood is all messed up. I think it's about time I do that, but I'm not gonna do it now. I did have a blowout, and it ruined my my fender that I made back in El Paso. So I wanna get that fender taken care of, re-weld it up, and then there's a few other things I'm gonna touch up while the trailer's in the garage. But main thing is this fender. And then I also need to get a spare, because ever since that blowout, I never fixed it. So yeah, I'm about to move this in the garage and get working on it. All right, so I kind of think I have it figured out. The fender had a lot of bends in it, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start welding the top and then the bottom, and then I'm gonna try to weld everything in between. You can see over here that I welded the whole way through, and I started doing on that side, but I was using my buddy's welder at the time. I was still in El Paso, I was still in the apartment, so I didn't want to use all of his welding wire. So I only did it in patches, but now that I got my own, I'm gonna weld it all up. So hopefully this doesn't happen again. So let me get set up and I'll get back to you guys. All right, it's been a very long time since I welded. So if it looks like shit, yeah, don't say anything. All right, so I don't want to bore y'all with me welding it up. So I'm just gonna weld the rest of it. You can see the gap was big, so I kind of had to bridge it right there. This one was good. I want to weld it down here so it doesn't pop off and hit the tire. And then let's see. Yep, is off the tire, even though it's bent out. I'm just gonna lay like one more right here, a little more there, and then I'm done with this. And then I can move all the cars around and bring the Jeep in. All right, so it's not the prettiest, but it'll hold. So what I did is I pulled it out, welded it all the way around. I gotta take this fender off and beat it a little bit so it can bow out, but it's off the tire, so that's good. I also need to get another tire because this is my spare that leaks. So I need to take this one off, I need to fix that. And then the wood situation after I get rid of this Corolla. But now I'm about to take this back to my friend's house. I used to keep it here, but I keep his trailer here because it's shorter and it's easier to put this in his backyard. So I'm about to take it over there, and then I'm about to start messing with the Jeep a little bit. All right, so the trailer's dropped off. Got the cars moved out the way, pulled the Jeep in the garage. I washed it last time I drove it, so it's kind of clean. What I'm gonna do now is a nut and bolt check, make sure everything's good. And then I'm gonna take a look at this power steering reservoir because I figured out the cause, figured out the cause of my leak is this reservoir. So I kind of want to take it off. I really don't feel like doing that much work today. I know power steering pumps are easy to take off. I just don't know if I want to do it right now, but I'm gonna check it out and then I'm gonna get back to you guys. All right, so the upper control arm was loose. The arm on the passenger side, I tightened that. And then my drive shaft is loose, so I'm gonna tighten that real quick. But this weld breaks because this bracket moves. So I think I'm going to re-weld it a little stronger, a little more. So hopefully this bracket stops moving. And yeah, I'm about to set up the welder again. See, this one was welded, but it hasn't moved much. So yeah, let me set up the welder and get going. All right, got everything tightened, drive shaft. I re-welded that bracket. Now I gotta do a few Amazon returns. So I'm actually about to take this on a drive, see how it does. And then when I bring it back, I'll get back to y'all. All right, so I'm back from my drive. Everything went well. Jeep does have a few shakes, pulls to the left a little bit when I'm driving, and the RPMs did dip down a little low, but I mean, right when I hit the gas, it didn't hesitate. It went back up. There's still a few things I gotta do to the thing to make it where I'm comfortable driving it every day. If I had to right now, I would drive this every day. If I didn't have any of those, I wouldn't mind driving this. I would even drive it on a road trip if I had to. AC still works. Transmission still feels good. So yeah, next time I work on this, I'm going to try to figure out why it pulls to the left, fix the power steering pump, and probably tackle some of the suspension, make sure my alignment's good. But with that being said, like, comment, and subscribe for more. Video after the video, a few things have changed. I got that, picked that up for really cheap. Hopefully it sells quick, because I don't like it. I did post this for sale. I love it. It's been a great daily. I think it's a amazing car, but something came up and I'll show y'all what came up. By the way, I do have another Corolla. I love these cars. They last forever and they sell quick. So I picked another one up. I had to do some repairs to it. The front was in the accident, so I'm fixing that. But this is why I'm selling a BMW. This one, I was driving it to Home Depot to get some stuff in my backyard. Yes, I know I have a truck, but I wanted to pull this out the backyard and drive it. And while driving it, the shifter, I wasn't able to put it in first when I was headed back home. So I had to start in second, and then it just became really hard to put it in gear. When I did the manual trans swap, I bought new flywheel, throwout bearing, clutch. So slave cylinder, master cylinder, all that stuff's brand new. So I don't get it. I'm thinking about loading it up on a trailer and taking it back to El Paso to my buddy Daryl's shop, AFAB, so he can go over everything and just make it good again. Just little stuff on it I want done, like I need new drive shafts. I'm still running stock drive shafts. I need different Heims on it because these are the rough country Heims and they suck. It's just a lot of different things that needs to be done on it. So I'm gonna take it back to El Paso one of these weekends. So stay tuned for that. Like always, like, comment, and subscribe for more.